We are pleased to show you the 2024 Jeep Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. And it's priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, power liftgate, remote keyless entry, fog lights, dual pane panoramic power sunroof, four-wheel disc brakes, front license plate bracket, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.